Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see top 3 programming language which rules the Indian software industry. If it sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, as you guys said, number 1 is going to be lost. Let's start with number 3, okay? Number 3, everyone thinks it's the first programming language which is so much important, but in my perspective, it is the third most important language. It's Python. I know it's a lot more into machine learning and data science, but I give the rank for it to third because I'm assigning this period, this 1 to 3 order because of the learning getting job on the IT industries, which is so much easy, not easy, so much needed programming language in IT job, which is so basic for everyone, and it is so important to them. Okay, I think you can understand. Python, it is used in machine learning and a lot of things. That's it. Third is Python. What do you guys think in second? Second is the most important language which is used in every website, mostly every website in all over the world, and that is JavaScript. It is the most crucial language to learn, and it has a very big language, and it defines TypeScript, JavaScript, and recently ES6. There's a lot to learn, but you will learn it. And I would suggest before learning JavaScript, try to learn some HTML, CSS, and learn JavaScript. I would recommend more things to learn React, Angular, like some frameworks too. That will boost your resume. The first thing is Java. Why you put Java in first thing is if you learn Java, you can learn anything, and the learning Java is not too much difficult. If you learn it in proper steps, it will be so much easy. I would recommend Double 3 Schools of website. It is so much easier to learn Java or that. Before going to that, try to dig into Solo Learn app for Java game. It is so much easy, and you will find it so much interesting. And if you get into it, get step on and refer some Java docs and learn more things in Java, and it's going to be so much easy, and you will get it everything. And one more important thing is if you learn Java, you can use it in backend, and HTML, CSS everyone already know mostly, and that would help you to interest in front end, and you can be the full stack developer if you learn Java. And I would highly recommend developing Java skills to Spring Boot, like that frameworks. Try to learn by yourself, mostly learn and execute. That's the only way to learn the programming. If you just learn it and by out every syntax, that's not going to work. If you have to spend time to code, that's the only way to improve your skills. I would highly recommend learn Java. That would help you a lot for your future. Okay, let's recap one more thing. Let's recap the both 3 things. First, Python. It is important, so much important, but in market you can get a job, but it's a little bit hard to get a job if you know Python, because everybody knows Python. That's the thing. Okay, and you have to get a decent money too, so I'm putting it lost because everybody know Python. It's going to be so much competition, you guys know, right? Second, JavaScript. If you know JavaScript, you can go to the front-end developer. Even it's used in back-end a little bit too, but in front-end it has for more job in the front-end field. I would highly recommend to learn React framework, Vue, some frameworks for that, which is used in your future companies so much effectively. I would highly recommend to learn Angular because it's used in most of the company. My second choice is React. Vue is more lessly used like Alibaba's. Vue is not so much framework which is used in JavaScript. I would highly recommend first Angular and second React. The first one is JavaScript. Java. Java is crucial, I already told you, but if you learn Java, you understand the programming language, which is the OOPS concept, which is so much more, dive deeper. It's like C. Just learn Java step by step. Learn one topic in 1 week. You will learn most of the topic in just in within 1 to 3 4 5. Within 6 months, you will learn the basics, and I would highly recommend to be strong on your foundation, strong on your basics. If you're strong in basics, you can learn any concept, any programming language within a day. If it's program object oriented, even any other programming language, I highly recommend you to strong on basics. If you learn a programming language, that would help a lot to learn another language within a day or two. Yeah, first of all, I learned Java. That's why I am so much interested in it. And after learning Java, I am strong in foundation, so much strong in foundation. And I learned JavaScript. It was just 6 to 8 hours only. I learned JavaScript, and that was so much easy. And I finished the JavaScript mostly. I learned the Pakka basics JavaScript. That's the way I improved myself. If you start learning one language, the other language is going to be so easy for you. Just stick with the goal, commit yourself, and learn it and get a job. If you want me to upload a video how to get a job in IT field, just comment below. I will post a video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.